Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I'm back with another Nutrisystem video. And right now I'm gonna come back and talk about this website you can go on and you can get the flex meals. So let me give you this website. It's leaf Nutrisystem.com slash oh Lord, give me a minute, y'all, recipes. And this is a pretty good, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to just go down some of the recipes they got. But if you can, let me scoot up for y'all to see it. If you can see it, these are, right in here, are the flex meal recipes. So you can take like some of the food that you get from Nutrisystem, and this is what sometimes you can do to them, or you can mix some of these. Let's see what we got. We got 100-calorie pumpkin muffins on here. I mean, you got everything on here. So this is a pretty good website. You can get, if y'all can see that, like you could get recipes from. And like I'm saying, these are it's like counted calories and everything. And like, what was this I just clicked on? This is the coconut mango pancakes recipe, and it have like calorie wise, it has, you can serve 4, and it's 116 calories and 1 smart carb and extra. And so it has at the bottom, it has the like with the recipes. So that's the recipes and thing. And actually this does support, I think this is also through, you have that, let's see what else. So you have baked recipes and non-baked recipes, but I will, and then they have some drinks, like drinks you can drink, or cocktail drinks and juices and stuff. So yeah, this will be a pretty good one. But these are baked things you can cook or not cook. So yeah. Now another way you can find other recipes, like flex recipes on, excuse me y'all, scoot back. Another way you can find Nutrisystem flex recipes are the oh Lord, excuse me, is the Nutrisystem's YouTube channel, and they have recipes on that and things. So yes, that is all I wanted to come and tell y'all. So I will leave you the recipe and the YouTube channel below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel. Bye.